Good morning. The vlog begins. Happy Saturday from Jimin and Jungkook. I just got out of the shower. It is 6:30. Got up at 6. My hair dye came out a little too red last night. We don't do wigs in this house. Only real hair dye for us when it comes to our cosplays.
No, not really.
Not really.
Just this one.
Hope I'm gonna have beautiful red hair tomorrow and not look like Ariel.
We'll gonna look like Ariel.
Okay. Check back later, see my Ariel hair.
Maybe you should have done the Ariel dress after all.
Uh-oh. So I washed it again, and we're gonna dry it and start curling and having some breakfast and coffee and see what happens. Oh, it's Sleeping Beauty! Good morning! Ready to go to a con? Here we go!
My brain is not functioning yet. I'm pretty sure it's illegal to be up this early. I guess I'm doing makeup.
Almost done. We're going. I got breakfast. Beef jerky.
Yum.
It's so cold.
It's misery. And it's 9 a.m. and I should be sleeping.
Hopefully the line won't be too bad to get there, but probably will be.
God. The Sears/Willis Tower. Or whatever. I don't know. Is that what it's called still? I don't know. They're always changing the name. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're finally here in park. I took my cosplay off because I got so overwhelmed. I just like, I can't wear, I have to take it off. I need to breathe. So I'm thinking I might come back later and change back into it. The Kira's still wearing her cosplay. She looks gorgeous.
The top on, but we're gonna change to get in there.
And I've got the skirt. I've got comfy clothes on. We're gonna get our tickets and everything. Hopefully get through that line. And then
we'll see what happens.
yes. So it was chaos. We got yelled at by a police officer for asking for direction anyway. So yeah, here we go. We found the empty bathroom.
We love the empty bathroom. I'm not telling any of you where it is in case I come back next year and you try to steal it from me. Walking in.
Oh boy, here we go. Well, this is moving much faster than Yomakan.
Will call line is on it.
Yes. Oh my god, we got him already! Whee! Wait, we gotta activate it?
Oh,
Okay.
alright, we can do that.
Okay. Snappy, snappy. Perfect. Nice. Okay, we got our badges. We're gonna go check it out now. All right, ready? Ready. What is that? Alien. Okay, we just got done walking the con floor for the first time.
It was so much. I'm not even sure we saw everything.
But now we're going back to the car to take a break and get some food. So
We brought sandwiches and caffeinated drinks.
the hot dog smelled really good though.
So tempting, but I'm a cheap bitch. I don't know why I thought to put lipstick on under my mask. That was so stupid. Whoops. Time to go touch up.
I'm back in cosplay again. Woo! Yay! I'm not so overwhelmed. We're gonna go in and hopefully have a great time.
Yes. So cool.
Guess what we found? We found the BTS K-pop booth. We were resisting really well and then we see this and we're like, uh-oh, we're in trouble.
big. It's so big.
My hair? Thank you. 3 hours of sleep that I have.
Con
Wait.
crunch.
We definitely paid enough to be here all night.
How we doing? Cheers.
We're having so much fun now.
Good.
I want to go ride Appa.
We can't afford to ride Appa.
It's $30
A piece.
Ah, really? A piece?
No, it's 30 for the first rider and 15 for the second, so it'll be 45 for the two of us.
Oh my god, I thought it was only $30 a photo.
$30 a rider.
Look at me. Look at me. Close your eyes. Nope, you're done. Take it off.
I can't find it.
Going to buy a K-pop album.
If we can find it. Did we pass it?
I don't know where it is.
We're lost.
We're lost. We're gonna find it.
We're gonna find it.
We're gonna find the K-pop store.
I don't know where we're going.
We're gonna buy K-pop album.
We
We're on a mission. Okay, so maybe it's further.
This way? Okay.
This way.
Is it that way?
Maybe. Oh, here it is. I found it.
Oh my god.
Okay, do you want Blackpink? No.
Mama
Or BTS?
I was looking at the Mama Moo earlier.
Buy a BTS. Should I get Jimin? I don't want it.
Okay.
Okay.
Where are we going now? We're lost. I'll come back.
Where'd I go? Oh, hi.
Oh my god. We have them. We have to get one.
2 for $25. It's perfect.
It's meant to be.
It's meant to be.
We have all of it. We have to pick one.
I like the candles.
They have a beer koozie too. I'm so dead.
How the hell do you drink beer?
We got the candles and the bag. Oh my god, look at the tote bag! It's perfect!
C2E2.
Well, here we have found ourselves in some comfy chairs. They unfortunately closed the showroom floor at 7 p.m. None of the after dark panels start until 8 p.m. So I don't exactly know what we're going to be doing until then, but we can't drive home right now. I'm very tempted to just go home and put my pajamas on and get Domino's pizza, but as I said, we can't leave right now. So we'll just chill here for a while.
We are good.
We bought chocolate covered Oreos from a store on the alley. Oh, I got lipstick on me because I'm wearing a mask. And that was our snack because they closed the pizza at 6. So, yeah.
What kind of hot dogs?
And we had hot dogs. I'm very hungry. And sandwiches. Sandwiches? Sandwiches. We had sandwiches at noon. It's 7:30. We had sandwiches 6 hours ago.
God, it was 3:30.
I think we time traveled. Anyway, we're just gonna chill here until we can go home. Empty con floor, and we're going home.
My wig is coming.
Home we go. It's empty. Cute, 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 cute. Azula, Azula, I'm your biggest fan. Okay. Beautiful. Bye-bye. We're in our comfy clothes. We're going home. Yay! We're back. Oh God,
That's bad.
we are back from the con. It's 9:40 and we are
Showered, and now we're going to eat a little pizza.
freshly washed.
Drink a lot of water. Yep. And cry about the choices we made today.
How do you feel it went today?
Yeah, it was fun. I really liked a really wide variety of different fandoms there.
Mm-hmm.
It was really cool that you got recognized. I wasn't sure if you would or not.
You too.
Oh, Azula, yeah, but all the cast of Avatar was there, so.
Yeah.
Which we didn't get to meet. I wish we could have, but it was very expensive, so it was fun.
It was
definitely fun, but I am exhausted.
Yes, I agree with all those sentiments. We're feeling all the walking we did. But it was really fun, and I'm looking forward to sitting on my butt now.
I'm a grandma.
Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.